So the transition from eating home-cooked meals to on-campus dining food, it was definitely a little bit of a shift, but I think I really personally enjoyed the food on campus. There's a little bit of a competition between whether our two dining facilities, the Oaks and the Carillon, which one's better. I might be on the opposite side and say Carillon is better. I lived right next to it my first year on campus, so it was right there along with one of the nicer outtakes, one of the larger outtakes on campus, and so kind of had that right there, so I'd go there more with my friends, especially in the early morning or at night. I remember going and grabbing breakfast and French toast sticks with my friends before finals week or going anywhere on campus to grab food, but one of my favorite memories was probably going to the midnight breakfast at the Oak. So that happens, it's normally the weekend before finals, and so all of my friends kind of packed up our stuff from Cole Hall and walked all the way over to the Oaks to kind of get that food and that experience at 12 in the morning as we got ready for finals.